In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and copy your Skype ID, Skype name. If you've ever tried to add someone on Skype and weren't sure which name to share, this tutorial is for you. Your Skype ID, also called your Skype name, is the unique identifier people can use to find you quickly. It's different from your display name, which you can change anytime. Let's walk through it step by step so you can locate it and share it confidently. First, open the Skype app on your device. This can be on your computer, phone, or tablet. Make sure you're running the official Skype app so the menus match what you see here. Next, sign into your account. Enter your username or email, click or tap Next, and then enter your password or the one-time code if you use that for added security. Keep your sign-in details private. If you prefer to stay signed in, you can allow that at this stage so you won't have to repeat it later. Once you're in, go to your profile. Look for your profile icon. This might be your photo or your initials. On desktop, it's usually near the top of the window. On mobile, you'll typically find it at the top of the screen. Click or tap that icon to open your account menu. From the pop-up menu, select Skype Profile. This opens a detailed view of your account information. Take a moment to get familiar with this page, as it's where you can manage profile details like your display name and picture. Under the Profile section, find the field labeled Skype name. In many accounts, it starts with Live. That line is your Skype ID. This is the unique handle other people can use to search for you on Skype. Remember, this is different from your display name. Your Skype ID is created automatically by Skype and can't be changed, whereas your display name is flexible and can be updated anytime for how you appear in chats. To copy your Skype ID, click or tap on the Skype name field and choose Copy. On some devices, you might long press or use a copy button next to it. Now it's ready to paste wherever you need, send it in a message, add it to your email signature, or share it with colleagues so they can connect with you. And you're done. You've successfully found your Skype ID and learned how to copy and share it with others. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Skype tips and tutorials.